If ChatGPT is showing the error message, "Something went wrong," don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This is one of the most common ChatGPT issues, and the good news is that in most cases, it can be solved in just a minute or two without any advanced troubleshooting. So if you want to get back to chatting normally, keep watching. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and easy guides. Let's start with the fastest fix first. Fix number 1 is to refresh the page. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and R at the same time. This forces the page to reload and can reset the session if ChatGPT got stuck or glitched. Sometimes the error appears because the page didn't load properly the first time, and a simple refresh is all it takes to clear it up. After refreshing, wait a few seconds and try sending your message again. If that doesn't work, move on to fix number 2, which is to click Regenerate or send the same message again. A lot of the time, the error is temporary, and retrying the exact same prompt can get it working instantly. If you see a Regenerate option, use that. If not, just resend the message. This is one of the easiest things to try, and it often fixes the issue without needing anything else. Now let's go to fix number 3. Start a new chat. Sometimes long conversations can cause problems because the chat history gets too large or the session becomes unstable. To test this, click New Chat and begin with a fresh conversation. Then enter your prompt again and see if the error is gone. If it works in a new chat, that usually means the original thread was the problem. Fix number 4 is to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can trigger this error in ChatGPT, even if it looks like your browser is working normally. Try switching from Wi-Fi to a hotspot, or from a hotspot back to Wi-Fi. You can also restart your router if needed. The goal is to make sure your connection is stable and not dropping packets while ChatGPT is trying to respond. Once your internet is solid, go back and test ChatGPT again. Next is fix number 5, and that is to turn off your VPN. VPNs often cause this error because they can interfere with the connection between your browser and ChatGPT servers. If you have a VPN turned on, disable it completely and then reload the page. After that, try the same message again. In many cases, turning off the VPN immediately resolves the issue. If you're still seeing the error, try fix number 6, which is to clear your cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can become corrupted or outdated, and that can stop ChatGPT from loading correctly. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy, then choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to clear cached files and cookies, then close the browser completely and restart it. Once you reopen ChatGPT, sign in again if needed and test it one more time. This step is especially useful if the error keeps coming back. So to quickly recap, the best fixes are: refresh the page, resend the message, start a new chat, check your internet connection, turn off your VPN, and clear your cache and cookies. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the "something went wrong" error and get ChatGPT working again. If this video helped you out, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple tech tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.